associate programs, more important info that could assist you along the way. Many newbies who come into affiliate marketing and affiliate programs of all types can start out being very green and think they can make money fast and easy by just doing the basics and not really dedicating themselves to a long-term service model or strategy. I believe the best method to capitalize within affiliate marketing is to produce a blog farm that will offer substantial traffic, that doesn't suggest spam blogs but blogs that are properly created and marketed to your target audience. Outsourcing this task is the best option. As long as the top marketers continue to make their millions and the rest continue to clear up quantities of cash or no money, but have the desire to emulate the leading marketers, affiliate marketing will continue to draw the attention and be popular with home-based business entrepreneurs. Having actually developed why affiliate marketing is so popular, stats have actually shown that just approx 5% of online marketers are making big cash utilizing affiliate marketing. Before you begin your endeavor into affiliate marketing, it is essential to pick the ideal programs for you. This is best done by beginning in the specific niches you already have established websites in, as you will already have a traffic base. Affiliate marketing or any affiliate program is only going to grow globally as the patterns of internet sales and marketing boost, and my guess is some of us stand to make an amazing quantity of cash by researching it and then just clearly going and doing it. Affiliate marketing has the huge potential to take you to wherever you want to go if you let it. All I truly want to get across to you is the advantages of having your own niche blog sites as part of your affiliate marketing mix to assist in marketing your affiliate programs to your target audience, and the good news is that there are lots of ways that you can increase the traffic streams you have actually created. This has lots of benefits, including the reality that blog sites are complementary to start, own, and preserve, and they are likewise loved by the online search engine. You can offer special material. It couldn't be made simpler for you to introduce your blogs and post some totally free posts to them and then discover how you can make many thousands of dollars as you go. If you have no products of your own but wish to make money marketing affiliate programs, you can set yourself up and be successful. This is the best thing I love about affiliate marketing. Any person can succeed at it. If you are an online business owner or online marketer and you have your own site, then you can also promote your service and increase your sales through affiliate marketing. By using a few of these ideas and tips, you can easily and rapidly grow your organization through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing or any affiliate program is just going to grow worldwide as the trends of web sales and marketing boost, and my guess is some of us stand to make an incredible quantity of cash by investigating it and then simply clearly going and doing it. If you have no items of your own but want to earn cash marketing affiliate programs, you can set yourself up and be successful. This is the biggest thing I love about affiliate marketing. Any person can prosper at it. If you are an online entrepreneur or marketer and you have your own website, then you can likewise promote your business and increase your sales through affiliate marketing. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.